Why windy rainy days are perfect for fall fishing pro tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Fall is here, and guess what? Windy and rainy days are actually some of the best times to catch fish. Today I'll share why this weather works so well and how to make the most of it. Wind rain. Let's start with wind and rain. In early fall, when it is still hot, fishing can be tough. The water is warm, oxygen levels drop, and fish just don't want to bite. But a rainy day or windy weather can help cool the water and boost oxygen, making fish more active. In mid to late fall, fish start getting more active with the cooler temperatures and bigger day-night temperature swings. Windy days then help improve early morning and evening bites, but don't expect it to extend feeding times much during midday. Tip: in deep fall, avoid strong winds if you want to fish shallow water. It is safer and easier for targeting big bites. Overcast days. Next, overcast days are good for fall fishing. After the temperatures start dropping, cloudy days keep the water from heating up too much during the day. Fish are more likely to feed throughout the day, especially when the sun isn't beating down. In late fall, overcast conditions are ideal for shallow water fishing. Less wind, soft light, and steady water temperatures make fish easier to catch. Wrap up call to action. So remember, in fall, windy, rainy, and overcast days can give you the best bites. Adjust your spot and strategy based on the weather, and you'll notice the difference. Here is my question for you: do you prefer fishing in the rain or on calm cloudy days? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear. If you found this tip useful, smash that like button and subscribe for more fall fishing secrets every week. Tight lines, everyone!